Hey, it's Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com. Now, if your house is anything like my house at the holidays, you've got a million of these around, and they're all empty boxes because the Christmas tree cakes never last. Well, I will help you with your disappointment. We're gonna make a beautiful bracelet from this Christmas tree cake box. Let's get started.
The supplies you'll need for this project include an empty Christmas tree cake box, white school glue, a paper bead roller you can get at paperbeadrollers.com, scissors, stretchy string, and if you want, some extra beads for your bracelet. You'll also need a pen and a ruler. Flatten out the Christmas tree cake box. Trim off any ragged or edges that don't have printing. I'm just going to use this beautiful flat piece here. Using your ruler, mark every ½ inch along the short edge of the box from right to left. Flip the paper over and mark the other side. Notice I started from the opposite corner and marked left to right. Using your straight edge, connect each of the marks to create triangles. Cut along the lines, keeping your cuts as straight as possible. It's time to roll the beads. Slide the wide end of the paper strip into the slot on the paper bead roller. Turn the roller and wrap the paper bead around itself. Center the paper as you go. When you get to the end, put white school glue along the last inch of the paper strip. Hold the end down until the glue dries enough to hold it in place. Usually just takes a few seconds. Cut a length of stretchy string long enough to fit around your wrist with a few extra inches to tie a knot. String the beads in whatever pattern you like. Now you can add traditional beads like I am here if you want. When all of the beads are strung, tie the knot. You'll cross right over left and pull it tight. Then cross left over right, wrapping that tail around one extra time. Pull the knot tight and add a few drops of glue to help secure the knot. Then gently pull the knot inside a paper bead and trim off the extra tails. That glue will hold it in place and keep it more secure. Your bracelet is ready. You can wear this unique bracelet to your next Christmas party or give it as a gift. If you have more empty Christmas tree cake boxes, make a necklace and earrings for a matching set.
And that's how you turn an empty box into a beautiful bracelet. Told you I had a bunch of these.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more paper bead tutorials. Merry Christmas and enjoy your Christmas tree cakes.